Okay, so here's a look at our Easter eggs. The same principles are going to apply as with our bunny and our chick that we put together. And I have my plastic ornament ball here. It's got my candy already in it. Again, I'm using an 8 centimeter here, but there is more resources linked below in the video description that will help you scale these templates if you want to make them different sizes. So I'm just going to assemble these two together. We have all these different egg designs, and some of them have 2 layers, some of them have 3, some of them have 2 base layers with little details to put on top of them, so they're all kind of unique and different, just like all Easter eggs are in real life. So I'm just going to start assembling these two here. For this particular one, I am going to use a little bit of this clear glue to attach these 2 layers together. If you wanted to do the foam tab tape on this part as well, you could. I just prefer to do this part with glue and then do the taping part for the base here, but that's really up to your preference. Alright, and if you get the glue a little outside, that's okay. It's a clear glue, so we won't see it once it dries. Okay, so I have my candy here in my half plastic ornament ball, and I'm just going to place the base here and flip it. Okay, just like that. And with this little piece that sticks out here, you may want to like kind of rotate it just a smidge so that it's when you place this down, it's, you know, nicely hidden. It's not sticking through one of the little pieces. So I've got that there, and I'm going to flip this piece over now. And I'm going to grab some of my 3D foam tape. I'm using strips here, but you can also use little dots or squares. Any of those will work just fine. And I'm just going to place this around my... Okay, so that is prepped and ready to go. All we need to do now is lay this down on top. So you might need to shift this around a little bit and kind of take a moment to line it up before you press down. There we go. And once you get it aligned, go ahead and press it down. All the way around there. Okay, so there is one egg done. They're essentially all made the same way. There's just slightly different designs for each egg. So I'm going to skip these over here. I'm going to do this one, which is just slightly different, where these 2 pieces go on top here. And again, you could use the tape or you could use the glue. I'm going to use the glue for this part. Okay, there we go. I'm going to flip that over there. I'm going to grab my candy for this as well. Flip that. Get it positioned there. And then we'll go ahead and get that foam tape to put around. You want to make sure it's like somewhat close to the actual hole, because that's where it's going to help hold that candy holder on and it won't pop off on you or anything like that. So I like to use these little strips for this particular project because it works a little bit more conveniently and faster than all the little dots. Okay, there we go. So our Easter egg candy holders are finished here. Now, all of the Easter egg designs I am giving you as a freebie on the blog, abbikirstencollections.com, and you can find that link below this video. If you're interested in the other Easter designs I have, a cute little bunny, and I have a little chick, and we also did an Easter basket as well. These are part of our premium member vault, which you can also find more information below as well. So all of our premium members at Abbi Kirsten Collections will get access to everything, or if you just want to score the freebies, then you can get the eggs. Those will be linked below for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think these are really sweet and cute for springtime as gifts to give or have your kids make and give. And I would love to know what other characters or designs you would like to see me make, so leave me a comment below and I just might make them. See you next time.